Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into WeTransfer, send large files online step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or phone. In the address bar, type WeTransfer.com and press enter. Wait for the WeTransfer homepage to fully load. If you see a cookies pop up, click accept to continue. Look at the top right corner of the page for the login option. Click login to open the sign-in page. Choose the login method offered, such as email or Google, depending on what you prefer. If you select email, click the email field and type your email address. Click continue or send code to proceed. Check your email inbox for the WeTransfer login message. Open the email and find the verification code or login link. Copy the code or click the link to verify your identity. Return to the WeTransfer tab if you need to paste the code. Paste the code into the verification box and confirm. If you select Google Login, click Continue with Google. Choose your Google account from the list or click Use another account. Enter your Google password if asked, then confirm. After successful login, make sure you are on your WeTransfer dashboard or main upload screen. Find the Upload or Add Files button on the page. Click Add Files and select the large file you want to send from your device. Wait until the file finishes uploading and you see it listed on the screen. Choose how you want to share, such as sending an email transfer or creating a link. For email transfer, type the recipient's email address in the To field. Type your email address in the From field if it is required. Add a short message if you want the receiver to understand what the file is. Click Transfer or Send and wait for the confirmation message. For link sharing, click Get Link, then copy the generated download link. Paste the link into WhatsApp, email, or any platform and send it to your recipient. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.